Hey everybody, Pastor Warren here. Welcome to another edition of Mondays Are for the Dogs. We're out at Algonquin's Veterans Memorial and with the cemetery behind us. And we're just doing what we're supposed to do on Memorial Day, and that is remembering. We're remembering those who have given their lives in fight for our freedom as they served our nation in various branches of the service. And behind me is a bit of a column that says, right now you can see those, remembering those who were killed in action. The second side is remembering those who are still missing in action. And then the third side says remembering those who have returned home. And so we are remembering all of those, and particularly those who have lost their lives in service to retain our freedom. And thinking of that word freedom, I was thinking of a Crosby, Stills and Nash song that says, "Find the cost of freedom, buried in the ground. Mother Earth will swallow you, lay your body down." And it's kind of a melodic song, but kind of, a sad song that, freedom has a cost, and that is death. And that's really what we're remembering today. But yet freedom is also attained by what Jesus did. He certainly did die. He gave up his life for all, but he rose and he lived so that all may live. So that in Christ, one day when he comes again, all those who laid down their life for us in our freedoms, who knew him and loved him, will rise and will have the ultimate reward of a bodily resurrection with him in heaven. So that's what we remember. Love so deep that it was willing to lay down one's own life for someone they know or someone they don't know. And so I pray, Lord, that you have a blessed Memorial Day today in all your activities of remembering those who have given their lives for us. We wish you a blessed day, and we'll see you farther down the trail. Here we go, guys.